forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Happy Sunday everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Mandeville in the parish of Manchester, and today we are going to be featuring a new development called Avista at Bloomfield. Avista at Bloomfield is an apartment development, and they will be featuring studio apartments, 1-bedroom apartments and 2-bedroom apartments. Now, we had a drive up to Avista at Bloomfield in Mandeville, and as you can see straight ahead, work has currently started, but there is nothing solid there yet, so we can see no building as yet, but work has definitely started. On the left hand side here, this building that you see, this is the Mega Mart. So if anybody knows the Mega Mart in Mandeville, it's literally right next door to the Mega Mart in Mandeville. So as part of this development, Avista at Bloomfield, they will also be building and featuring commercial spaces, some of which you can see here. So there will be commercial offices, there will be financial services available there. There will be plaza with restaurants, shops. So this development will be a mixed use development. The development will feature 78 apartments across 6 floors, 40 studio apartments, 20 one-bedroom apartments and 18 two-bedroom apartments. The amenities include lobby with concierge, heated swimming pool, fitness centre, jogging trail, clubhouse, gated 24-hour security, assigned parking, water storage facility, standby generator and a water heater. The studio apartment is an open floor plan, one bedroom, in unit laundry is 580 square feet and the starting price is $109,000 US. The one-bedroom apartment comes with one bedroom, one bathroom, in-unit laundry is 870 square feet and the starting price is $164,600 US. The two-bedroom apartment comes with two bedrooms, two bathrooms, in-unit laundry is 1,165 square feet and the starting price is $206,600. That's $206,600 US. information on this development, Avista at Bloomfield, then the numbers for who to call and who to contact are coming up on your screen now. We thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and until next time, datmisehtv.